In front of me is HONOR X5c Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage. To clean storage on your HONOR, you don't need to download any app. All you need to do is go into Settings and scroll to hit Storage section available here. Then choose Clean Up at the bottom. Wait and hit Clean Up next to junk files to get rid of them. Don't worry, it won't delete any photos or apps, only junk files. As you can see, after a few seconds, storage of my HONOR was successfully cleaned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!